Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Motorola device to Honor Magic V2. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Motorola, click on all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!